Manila University with their hand raised yet again as they continue to go unscathed in this season. 10-0 in the standings. A stiffer fight put up by University of the East, but same result for the defending champions. And with Tiff Atendido is our best player today.
That's right, Eric. DLSU ladies spiker Michelle Gumabo with me, our player of the game. 11 points, 9 attacks, and 2 serves. Congratulations, Michelle. So in set 1, kahit na panalo nyo, it was as if every point was a struggle. Kayo yung nagkahabol. What was going through your mind?
For me, deep inside, alam naman namin na we're gonna win this game. So siguro we got complacent at the start and all throughout the game. So maybe next time, more preparation, mas maayos sana yung warm-up, and mindset lang talaga.
Alright, your next game is next Sunday. Long time to prepare, but it's against UST. It's a very big game. What will you have to do in order to maintain yung undefeated standing ng LaSalle?
Siguro, of course, everyday training pa din, continue our prayer and work as a team. And of course, syempre, you know that we train every day. So yun lang, just do what we do best every day.
May gusto ko bang batiin?
Marami. Hi to the De Vera and Eugenio family from Patag, Bulacan. Advance happy birthday to Patricia and hi Tito Wilson. Yun lang.
Congratulations, Michelle. Eric?
Thanks, Tiff.
Akala ko, nag-aantay pa tayo
But that's the advantage when you know you're going to win. You have a chance to greet your relatives and friends, right?
That's right. Kailangan bring out that yellow band.
But admittedly, inamin ng LaSalle, they were a little complacent coming into this game. They knew they were going to win. They just didn't know how. Kaya medyo nangapa sila nung midway part ng first and second set, ano?
And siguro na-challenge rin, nagulat din sila sa challenge ng UE in this game. Iba rin talaga ang more aggressive Lady Warriors in this game.
Here's our Sports House play of the game. Get up to 60% off on select equipment on Sports House or on the Sports House red carpet deal.
Look at this block. Solid last point. Solid block by DLSU on that last point to win this game. Take it home again. Their 10th this season.
Coming up in just a few minutes, Gretchen Ho and the second-ranked Lady Eagles of Ateneo de Manila University will try to keep at pace with De La Salle as they take on the struggling Lady Bulldogs of National University. Thanks to our director Raul De Ocampo and producer Ada Bayuga. Patch and Tiff will stick around and work with the women. And for Moji Ravena, I'm Eric Tipan. Thank you for watching. More action coming up here on Studio 23. This coverage of the volleyball tournament of season 74 of the UAAP brought to you by ABS-CBN Sports.